Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again?
Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in?
Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams and no one seems to hear a thing?
Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just hold in the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go up, up, up as you shoot across the sky. Up, up. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show your colors burst. Make 'em go up, up, up. You're gonna leave 'em going up, up, up.
You don't have to feel like a waste of space. Your original cannot be replaced.
If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow.
Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow. And when it's time, you know, you just gotta ignite the light.